This session will work with some automation. Let's go to our company manage workspace, then go to space settings, click automation. Now we create our flow from scratch. Now we need a trigger. So in this activity, we create auto creation of subtask. So we need a work item. Okay. Trigger. Work item is created. Now we need a condition. So we select work item fields condition. Now we select type equals to story. Okay, so it means when a user story is created, there will be an action. Okay. So next, action, then select create. Now we can select either create work item or create subtask. For this session, we'll create using create subtask option. Okay, we can specify subtask 1. Okay, then another subtask, create subtask 2, create subtask 3. Then click next. Okay, then let's go to flow details. So we put the name auto create subtask. We save and enable. Now scope. This session it is under company manage ABC workspace. We save and enable. Okay. Do note that we can also add additional fields if we want to. Okay. Okay. So for now, let's just save and enable. So now we have our auto create subtask created under the scope of covering the scope of company ABC. So refresh. Now let's go to our epic epic B. Under epic B, we will create user story. One. Okay. Click create. Now user story 2. Then we also click create. Okay, let's do a refresh. Let's open Epic B. Now under user story 1, subtasks are created. Okay, automation for Jira. Then let's see user story 2. Saying this was the subtasks are created and it's also through automation for Jira. We can go and revisit our automation. We can see our audit and usage. Okay, in our usage, it's been used 2 times. Our audit, you can see it's been created. We have multiple instance been made, so okay. So that is our sample creation of a automation or automatic creation of subtasks.